Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Game off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Game off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. For the ground, I'm a 2020, wow, wow. Woke up to deposits and it's only 8 a.m. Do it for the fam, I don't do it for the gram. Do it for my daughters, do it for my little man. That's my 2020, reason why I win. Lot of missed calls, looking bloody in my call log. I bet to myself, I'm not sorry that I logged, dog. Check my mental health, I was feeling like a lost dog. Bounce back and wipe my paws off. Get it off the humble and I stick to what I know. Nights on top of nights, long nights took a toll. Took some steps back, but I still get up and I go. And now you know, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it, yeah. New Jeep, no doors with it, no. I won't stop now, who you kidding, kidding. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma send it, I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. Pressure on me daily, got the family on my back. Dreams are getting bigger, put the city on my map. World inside my palm, but I'll try not to get attached. Moment that is here, could be over just like that. Fast car, no NASCAR. I was never working hard, I guess I'm mad smart. Top speed like a rocket, it was blast off. 6 figures from my couch without a mask on. Waited for my cycle like a laundromat. Going to the moon, it's on top and that. 2 straight years of dropping back to back. Epidemic jumping like an acrobat. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it, yeah. New Jeep, no doors with it, no. I won't stop now, who you kidding, kidding. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma send it, I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it, Every day I wake up, I'ma send it.
Good morning all. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone is doing good. Happy Friday to all. Let me see how all systems go. You guys know the drill. Let's see. Yeah, we look good here. We look good. Let's have a look what we got going on the charts. Run it down and yeah, see what we got going on for Friday. So today, Bank of Japan press conference. Big day today. Rates unchanged. Yen is dying. They don't give a shit about the yen. They're ready to do intervention at any time. So we need to be cautious about that. I'm going to repeat myself again. They are saying that they don't mind to intervene. What does intervention mean? Potential fat dump that comes out of nowhere and gives you one big red stick up your backside where you're in buys and then you go home crying. All right? Your account's crying, you're crying, and actually YouTube chat will be hating, not crying. So that's different. But I'm crying when that shit happens. So be careful. Let's go see what the JPY index is doing here. How thrashed is it? Let's have a look here. We're getting thrashed, but not too bad. Not too bad. Time to look for sells in the yen then. Well, when an intervention happens and you sell the yen, it means that GBP JPY would go up, which we've already seen. So no, it doesn't mean that. As you can see, GBP JPY has gone up, and it's gone up based on that news, right? That's why we've seen. I do think we have Udea still speaking. Let's see. When is he going to speak, this guy? When is this guy going to open his mouth and start speaking? Hopefully he doesn't speak during London session, otherwise it makes it hard for us to trade. All right. Surge, government futures, blah, blah, blah. Survey bond market, okay. Reducing. Votes against reducing bond purchases, okay. Right, steady. Importance monitoring foreign exchange and its effects in inflation. Monitoring. That is a very shit word to use in finance, right? Monitoring. Monitoring doesn't tell us much when someone says monitoring. Bank of Japan sees trend to stay around target, blah blah blah. Bank of Japan hold market group meetings, Japanese gone, blah 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 blah. Bank of Japan cuts bond buying to allow yields to form freely. What is the yields doing at the moment? Let's have a look at the yields. Where are they sitting at? They're below. They popped up here. Wow, to 1.1%. That's pretty massive. Where are we sitting now? Sitting a little bit lower. So as inflation gets higher, yield returns get higher. As inflation gets lower, yield return gets lower. Now, remember, Bank of Japan has a problem. They have a de-inflation problem. That's their problem. They don't have enough inflation in the country. Rest of the world has full inflation, where Bank of Japan has a de-inflation problem. So they need more inflation. So yeah, let's go finish off our fundamental seeing, blah, blah, blah. Plan for bond buying to be discussed at upcoming meeting. Okay, that's really big then. That means that the meeting here is going to be damn important, because this is a big topic to talk about what they're going to do with bond buying. So when is this meeting? In classic Bank of Japan fashion, we don't know. It could be now, it could happen in 10 minutes, it could happen after London, it could happen during London. Whenever Mr. Udea decides to come into where? Into the meeting room and start opening his mouth. So in the meantime, let's go and see what's happening on the charts here, right? So what's happening? 4-hour candle, big boy breakout. Now what's really interesting is the daily, guys. Daily didn't break out. Daily still failed. Daily still failed and closed below the daily resistance. Now we are breaking the high, higher chances to continue. Yes, we do have a 4-hour breakout as well. Yes, but daily still failed. Now obviously this 4-hour close is a bit manipulated close. Why is this manipulated close? Because this is a close based on news, right? News gave us that close. If it wasn't for news giving this push up here, exactly Joe. If it wasn't for news giving this push up here, we can't say for sure that this candle would have broken out, right? There's no 100% guarantee that this candle would have broken out. So what are we going to do? So we have to look at, fine, what is our options here? I would like to see some sort of structure being formed. We can start to see exhaustion in the candles here, which is never a good sign for continuation. As we see candles get weaker, we start to fail, right? As we see candles get weaker, we start to fail. As we see candles get weaker, potentially start to fail here. So we need structure, because if candles get weaker and we form structure, continuation is in the cards. Candles get weaker, no structure formed, no close above, no continuation. Candles get weaker, structure formed, no break of high, no continuation. In this case, you get the gist here. Structure formed. This one, I guess, was a fake out. Must have tapped something. No, this is just a classic fake out because it is 1 hour before market open. Not a time to be trading. But moral of the story, look for setup 5 later. That's a possibility, but if we're going to have volume today, we're just going to have straight continuation into these highs. We're just going to have big boy continuation. Price is going to go, and we just have to take the risk there. And if a pullback comes while we're in a trade, so be it. We took the risk. We can afford the risk, and that's about it. It's all calculated. So we can't really say. We prefer, put it this way, if it pulls back down here, we're not concerned. We know how to trade back up to that target. If it forms nice structure here, we'll have to attempt the breakout. Now we do have a key level here. We do have a key level, which is nice. So it's nice to play around a key level. Key levels have been key actually for the past few days here. Every time we closed, even yesterday, above the key level gave us our trade the day before. So for me today, trade is going to come above the key level. Something closing above the key level is where the trade. Check this out. We got the close above here yesterday. We got the push. The day before, we got the close above the key level. Here we got the push. Today we're sitting at another key level. We need the close above that key level to get the push if we're looking at probabilities here. So for me, that's where buys are going to make sense. Let's see more price action develop and see if Udia starts speaking or not. Now, what's a key level? Watch the key level video on WAP. It will tell you in depth what's a key level. It will take me 10 minutes to explain. But they're basically levels, long story short, they're levels that are whole numbers that a lot of algorithms and traders are basing their take profit levels off or continuation levels off, right? How that happened, watch that video in WAP. It will tell you exactly how that happened and historically why that happened, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, let's look at gold here. So gold is a mixed session today. We removed drawings for now. We can see daily time frame here closed bearish, rejecting the support here, rejecting around the support. If we were to look at now the 4-hour time frame, obviously creating some support, moving up towards this previous 4-hour resistance, which might cause some pushback here on price, right? This might cause some pushback on price. We have to see what price wants to do there. In terms of price action here, it's a little bit tricky, to be honest, after this push. I would say this would be a watch zone more than a set in stone place where we're high chance to reject. It's more of a watch zone here. So if I was to be looking at this, you know, this is going to be more of a watch zone. And yeah, you know, for me, what's my plan here on gold? Well, I don't like the sells too much. I saw some plans in the group for sells. It does make sense, but if we look at our range, we don't have much range to be taking sells here. 1 hour as well, not much range to be taking sells. Sells below here are fine, but by the time we get there, it's 100 pips down. And, you know, 100 pips down, it's pretty far away, right? So I don't want to be selling after 100 pip move down. I feel like that's the move already done. In terms of buys here, would love to see some more price action formed here. I would like to see us, now that we're so close, originally the idea for buys would have been above this range here to buy to the 4-hour resistance. Since we've just blasted through it, at this point we want to see 4-hour resistance contended with and then see what price wants to do at that. If we start rejecting it, then we can play above it. If not, realistically, buys should come above 23.13 will be cleaner here. If not, pullbacks to take buys back up to 23.11 here, and that's going to be the plan here, right? So either pullbacks to continue up. For sells, I'm not ready at the moment. Sells are not ready at the moment. I'm kind of looking at pullbacks for continuation here, or seeing what we do at that 4-hour level. Buying right now on this breakout candle, don't trust it too much, nor do I want to be running 59 pip stops for a 25 pip target. I'd rather just buy above here, get a smaller stop loss, and then target some of these levels here. So that's basically the plan here on both GJ and gold. So yeah, we do have a setup 3 on GJ at the moment here, but again, I want something closing above 20.01500, as that's been the name of the game all week. So why should I change what's been working? It's obviously been working. 100% win rate this week because of that. So I'm not going to try, and I don't have to force something, right? I could have called it a week 2 days ago, no problem monetary wise. So at the end of the day, I'm just going to follow my plan, which has been working, and the plan that has the highest probability to win, not just a next option just to try FOMO into a trade, when I'm really looking here to have high probability of winning the trade, which is more important in a week like this, when you know, you want to protect profits going to end of the week. Remember, today is Friday. The last thing you want to do is give back your week profit. I see that happen way too much in the markets. I hear it all the time. I have people DM me telling me that they do that, and guess what? You go into Monday chasing those losses, because it's a terrible thing to go in and chase those losses. That's definitely something that you don't want to do, and it sucks, right? That you worked all week to give money back. It doesn't make sense. Now, of course, your job as a trader is to take risk. So if there is a valid setup, you will take risk on that. And if it loses, that's just probabilities. Long term, you're going to be fine. But if you go do something stupid and give back money that is not accounted for because you didn't follow your plan, now you're doing something silly that basically is going to affect you long term. And yeah, that's about it, right, for the analysis here. People are telling me to update the stream record. I don't think, yeah, I didn't update it. Let me update it now. 78.2. All right. We'll update the stream record. Thanks for letting me know. Did not update it. Okay. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the analysis, be sure to do the YouTube business, leave a like on the stream. Today we'll try for 350 likes. All right. So yeah, be sure to do the YouTube business, you know, all that stuff. Hate to say it, but part of the game. I'm liking putting this poll in chat. It reminds people to do it without me asking. It's a lot better, because I really don't like asking. So really, I like that. Can you check EJ took a setup 2 and 4 hour bottom of the range earlier just now? EJ, for sure, man. Let's have a look at EJ. Setup 2 on a 4 hour. See if I agree with that. That's clean, man. That's clean. Definitely. This is very, very clean. Nice, beautiful bottom wick here. Close back inside of this range here. That's what gives you the ultimate confirmation here. Every time we close above that level, we've had continuation, right? So no, I like this. News obviously helped you here. Bit risky with news. News did give a liquidity grab, which could have been a little bit scary at the time. As long as your stop loss is accounted for, then you're okay. But in terms of a setup itself, trading on 4 hour, it's nice, especially at that earlier time, right? Especially taking trades at Asian session, you want to be using a bit higher time frame, bigger stops. Just make sure you did put your stop not below the 4 hour candle, but below the range here would have been better, right? GJ going crazy? What happened? What happened on GJ just now? Oh yeah, damn. This is the risk we're trading with now. We're getting these big liquidity grabs. It's a little bit scary. I do feel like we could have some random dump here. We need to be careful. I mean, that just there, that 1 minute candle is like 15 pip, you know? You know? So we need to be very, very careful. Yeah, that was done. Holy shit. Something's being said right now. What's going on, man? Yo. Something's being said, guys. We'll have to see what's been said, but definitely something. Smells like intervention soon. Yeah, it's a little bit sketchy, that. Yeah, this is an interesting candle here. Interesting candle to just whip down like that, grab liquidity, pump up. It's not a speech, it's me waking up. Oh, so you were in shorts and they made sure to, you know, fuck you up. Bearish bias set up 1 here on GU on a 5-minute. I need to see if you had 15-minute confirmation. I don't like confirmation just on a 5-minute. You need to have at least something supporting it, like a 1 hour close below. Okay, there you go. As long, remember, yeah. As long as you have that 1 hour, you're fine, right? 1 hour, 30 minutes, something like that, you're fine. Then I agree with it. And yeah, that's a good trade, man. Well done. Killing it already. Yeah, 30-minute close below. You had set up 3. Yeah, perfect, man. Good. Clean trade for you on GU today. Yeah, that's a sketchy, but I want to know what's said. Claudio, is he speaking now? Claudio always finds me the stream. Looking for stop losses. I'm surprised it didn't go and complete all the way down to this candle if it wanted to take liquidity out of the market. We should have gone and done here. Here's a little bit strange here. Here's a little bit strange. Sniped my stop loss perfectly. Yeah, I mean, if you held any tight stops here, that's why I'm saying from the beginning of stream we needed structure, right? I think that's something I've noticed, Alex. You always enter a little bit too early. Jump the gun a little bit. You don't miss anything for if it's not following a plan, right? Take note of what time the trades have come all week, right? All these winning trades, look at the time, 11:30, 11:45, 12:20. You see, look at the time now, 9:54. What did we have every single day at around 9, 10 o'clock for the last few days? Every single day, bring back sessions, look what you'll find. Every single day, 9, 10 o'clock, what do we have? Check the time here. What time is this breakout? 10 o'clock. What happened? Pulled back. You see that? 10 o'clock breakout. Basically, the candle after this, pull back. Let's go see the day before. What time was this? 9:45, same time as now. We had the breakout. What happened after that? Pulled back. Right? We see that? 9:45. This candle closes at 10 o'clock. So the 10 o'clock candle, which is the same candle as this, what did it do? Gave a little bit of continuation and pulled back. It's what we've had all week. Right? What happened here? What time is this? 10 o'clock, same time. Broke the highs and did what? Boom. Deep pullback. Look at the time here. We took this trade again here. 12 o'clock. Right? 12 o'clock. Right? What do we have? Continuation. What do we have? 11:45 here. 11:30. Continuation. Same thing yesterday, right? We take the trade what time? 11:15. Continuation. So just be careful. Just be careful. Even this closes above here in 3 minutes. It looks very juicy to take a trade here, but we don't know. Let's see if he's speaking or not. If he's speaking, we're in trouble. Oh no. Full margin guys are speaking now. Oh no, here we go again. Where's my friend? He's not here today? Same office room where he spilled his water. Who's this? House of Council, Special Political Reform. I don't know if this is going to have any influence here. Okay. Because we're supposed to have this one here, press conference, Bank of Japan press conference, but it's bloody tentative, so we don't know what time it's gonna come. 10:30, yeah. Okay. That's good information. Yeah, that's what we want to be careful of, that one. Okay, this is ripping right now. So we'll see what ends up happening, how it closes and stuff. Yo, man. No set time. Tentative means no set time. Exactly, precisely. I mean, you know, we've been here. They normally do it around either 7 a.m. Dubai time to like 11 Dubai time. Yeah. Cool. The problem is, look what they said here, Claudio. You know, normally the speeches don't really cause too much. We normally see one big liquidity grab during the speech or something. But check this out. Look at this. They said today, they actually said that in their, they're going to discuss their plan for bond buying to be discussed in their meeting. You see? So we have to be careful with that because today they have something to be planned to said. And just based off that, there was already this big reaction in the market. What are we looking like on this candle close here? This is a pretty nutty candle here. Stops are way too big for me to play anything here. I'm not going to put some risky stop here at 21 pips. Let's see. This is all yen. Look, we have price here on gold as well, reacting off the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is important here, which is good to see. This is why we left it on. I mean, this looks like a damn juicy candle, I'll tell you that much. This is also the 1 hour close, which I really like. It's the 1 hour close as well. But this is the time all week we've been pulling back, right? All week we've been pulling back at this time. So I'm going to follow what's been happening. Now, if this ends up closing in 27 seconds below 20.01500, it's actually better for us because that will allow us a chance to create structure to then get back above. But I'm gonna trust what has been happening all week and try see if we can get a pullback to have tighter stop loss to continue this move, at least on a 5 or something, because these 5 showing me rejection, double rejection here, normally not the best sign here for continuation. We have closed above 21.05 here, I mean 21.500. Immediate push here off the rip. We do expect that in high volume. Wonder if that made bottom wick in my broker. Yeah, it does have the same. My broker looks the same. So they're not sure about bond buys. That's why they want to discuss. No, it's not certainty anymore. So price boom. Yeah, basically, bond buy means that they don't care about their currency weakening. They'll keep selling dollars and buying yen to artificially prop that up, which weakens the yen. So that's why we just see that price boom, because people expect a weaker yen, as they're literally saying they don't care. They literally said that they're ready. Yeah, they literally said that they're ready to intervene at any time. They said that this morning as well. They're like, we don't care, we will intervene at any time. GJ will be bearish today. I wouldn't trust that too much, brother. I wouldn't trust that. You could be right, but most of the time, you know, you'd be in trouble. So it doesn't make sense. We'll intervene at any time, but let's actually discuss. Yeah, I mean, that's why it's there. But this is typical Bank of Japan trolling the market, never giving any certainty. They always do this crap. And at the end of it, I can actually put money on this. I bet they're going to discuss bond buying and say we're going to keep everything the same. They're not going to change anything. And you're going to see these random spikes of them speaking about potential talks of reducing bond buying. It's always how it works. There's always discussion, and the market reacts based on Japanese yen, you know, I don't know. Japanese yen market reacts on every single news that is not backed by data. Only speculation. It only moves on speculation. All right, so price is now trying to make its bottom wick here. It's trying to make its bottom wick. Bank of Japan loves to gamble. They do. I'm from India. Read my comments. Relax, relax, brother. Relax. It's Friday, brother. Relax. Aram se bhai, aram se. Relax. Goids, please. Give goids. We'll see if today goids. Look at this bottom wick, guys. This is where people need to see that bottom wicks matter, right? Because you'd enter on a wick fill. I'm gonna take a wick fill. I'm smart. And now you're like, damn, man. Holding this drawdown. Hopefully it will flip. Now, if it does reflip, you'll be okay. Like now. So you're getting survived here. But I don't like these rejection wicks. It doesn't look good to me. What do you think is his plan for in the future? Can we rely on the flip even without entry on 15? I have 1 hour valid setup for. Yeah, this is very valid because you have two setups. You have setup 3 on 30 minute. You have 1 hour closing below, you know, especially with that stop loss. And then you use 5 minute for entry at that point, right? So you do what he did. So you look at the stop. He didn't put stop above 5. He put stop here back at a sensible place. But he takes the 5 closing below. With the 5 closing below, that gives you the extra confirmation as well, right? So I really like that. For me, that's the perfect thing. When you have the 1 hour, the 1 hour is your trade. That's your trade. His stops went above the 1 hour, above structure, which is perfect. 30 minute gave you the close below, but never broke the low. So the setup's still active when it breaks the low. Yeah, this candle closed back in the range, but we never broke the high. So when you look at 15 minute, what did it do? It created low high and created a resistance. So you can take it break of this low, which is just the re-break of the 1 hour low. But let's say you want even extra confirmation. So instead of just going break of low, you can say, okay, I want to wait for a 5 minute candle closing below this support here. You get that, which gives you the extra confirmation, you go. Right? How to calculate pips on gold? It's very easy. Just go to gold. On gold, when you use the measure tool, you see this number here, divide it by 10, or this number on the left, times it by 10. That's it. I'm scared of weekly level on gold, on GU, sorry. Let me have a look at this weekly level of yours. Tell you if it's much relevance. What, selling back down? Not when we've crossed through it so many times here. Weekly levels are realistically problems when we're coming back to it. So let's say this closed above and then we came back to it. That would be more, not just when it's wicking, because we can see when it's wicking it doesn't do too much. If you were to mark a line here, you would see that there's not too much reaction there. So we're always getting below it. That's exactly what happened. Yeah, but you'd be trading to it at that point, right? You definitely have room. You definitely have room. You'd be trading back to it. It kind of be like this trade here where you trade back to it. Man, GBP is melting here. We're seeing GBP melting. Either USD is getting extremely strong right now. Yeah, USD is pumping a bit. Look at this zone we drew last time. It held like a king. Remember we talked about 50% of that zone being filled potential? Damn, bro. We're very close. So that was the max I was looking at, 50% of that zone. So 71 pips? Yes. How about JPY pairs? Any other pair is the same. That's only because gold is not a pair, right? Gold is a commodity here, right? It's gold. It's not a pair. It's not a currency pair. Any other currency pair will be the same, where you just measure based like this. That's 92 pips. You just look at the right number. Where's all my drawings gone? Here they are. So we're struggling here. We're not getting immediate continuation here in the charts, as we can see. We're just struggling a bit. No immediate continuation. I think people are, people are scared to buy at these levels here. So that's what we're seeing on the charts, as we're not getting buyers. Normally, after such a big liquidity grab, you'd expect huge continuation if it's going to go. Like I said, the past few days, we've been having pullbacks at this time. So far, that is playing true. We are seeing weakness. Right? So far, we are seeing weakness. I'm not seeing straight continuation here. Any setup on GJ? Currently waiting. If no continuation, then going down or awaiting catalyst. At the moment here, we've had a catalyst. This is kind of a resolution after the catalyst. So we have to see. This is not the same. Right? This is not the same. Please, sir, long or short? Both. Whichever one goes into profit, that's the trade I gave you. Our 5-minute has closed above structure here. Technically, if it was to break through these highs, but look at this. This is a very bad sign. I'm not trusting this. When we have 1, 2, 3, we're seeing like a rolling top here, right? So literally, that's price tried, it failed. Price went higher, tried again, it failed. It tried one more time, it failed. If you look at that as a pattern, that's like your weakness pattern, middle finger pattern, head and shoulder pattern, all of that stuff. So what do we want to see? We want to see price break structure. How would it break structure? By breaking above these highs here. So if we can get a 5-minute candle closing above these highs, then we probably break the highest high here. We will probably get break of structure and then the breakout. And then that could be the trade there. So that's a little bit of reading candles backwards and trying to get highest probabilities in trade. Right, so here we're trying to get the break of the high here. So we see if this can break its high. This red candle high here. That's the first thing you need price to do in order to continue. Yo, man. A little bit, but I don't worry. I muted you. You're good, man. You're good. No, man, I muted you. I got you, don't worry. Oh, good, man, all good. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, man. Good morning, Bogdan, bro. How you doing, man? Oh, you're 8. Okay, you're 8. Yeah. No, I think at this point, If we had a 15 above, it would be okay, because we pulled back and retested on gold. So a close above that would be fine to get to here. It just needs to make sense. I mean, we can use this point as a break-even point. We'll have to see if gold wants to break out here or not. You know, so we just have to be cautious and see how price develops. But no, you won't need, you just need structure. But this 15-minute pullback here has created structure, right? Yeah, that's fine, but it depends on structure. If you have structure before it, you can rely on that structure to hold during the 1 hour time, you know? Yeah. Oh, good, man. All right, so this 5-minute is trying to break up here. This could be potential here. Could be a potential here. If we can chill for just 1 minute, right? This is what we're talking about, but we need to chill for at least 1 minute. We need to chill for 1 minute here, Mr. GJ. "43 seconds it needs to chill." So I need bottom wick on this candle here. Can we get a good bottom wick on this candle? This is alright here. I'm going to give this a short break of this high. I'm going to go not full risk because I don't want to give my profits back for the week. Don't want to give my profits back for the week. Yeah, so that's my plan. If this goes and smashes through the lows here, then I'm not taking this trade, because that's where my stop loss wanted to go, below these lows. But this is a good bottom wick. I sell previous 15? No, I want to keep it here. After this, I don't expect it to re-break. If it re-breaks, I want to be out of the trade. Because this is dangerous. Remember, guys, this is very dangerous to be trading here with all this news and all of this stuff here. So we have to be extremely careful. Extremely careful. Trading with this news and everything here, this is where we can have reduced probabilities. But since it's been a good week, I'm happy to take the risk here. But again, since I reduced risk here, I'm not going to lose. I'm not even going to lose yesterday's trade if this trade ends up reversing, which it definitely can because of just how price has been here, right? We've seen a very impulsive move here. It's not the same conditions, but we are trying to hold support above this zone here. So we'll see what ends up happening. We'll see, we'll see. SL here is nice and small, tight SL around 13 pips, which is nice. If this 5-minute closes bearish here, the position is going to be different. We have a resistance now. We probably need something closing back above that. We'll have to see. If the 5-minute closes weak bearish, it's still going to be valid because it's going to be a thunderstorm setup. So this 5-minute will dictate how this trade looks. We then maybe see the pullback. Yeah, if the 5-minute closes deep bearish, we might see the pullback, and then we get kept safe again. We avoid a loss by following the plan, which has been happening over the past few days, right? And if it breaks without a retrace, what do you mean breaks without a retrace? I mean, I was going to enter right now above the highs here if it was to flip, but we seem like we're pulling back at the moment. Good, man, good. Yeah, if it breaks down, doesn't matter, right? Then we just wait and see what it does. Where it stops, where it goes. It's a whole different scenario. We're still closing above here. Don't know how I feel about it. It is technically closing quite strong bearish here. Let's see. Yeah, it is respecting the 5-minute. We'll just see if it shoots. If it shoots below the lows here, then I'm just gonna delete the order. Wait for something different. Start shooting below these lows. SL, guys keep asking me SL. I've repeated it 4 times here. We guys need to be listening. Someone help them in chat. Yeah, it looks like it's shooting through the lows here. Keeping us safe, avoiding a loss for us. You're not looking good? I haven't done anything, so it is looking good. It's respecting my plan. So yeah, it's respecting my plan and not triggering me early. What if gold breaks its own high? What's happening on gold right now? Gold broke its high here. Did we close anything above the 4-hour? I prefer something closing above the 4-hour here, personally myself. Breaking the high, yeah, it's an option, but I still think this 4-hour could be issues. If you want to go aggressive, you can go aggressive on a 5 closing above the 4-hour. But personally, I would prefer to see that 15 close above the 4-hour. You need to have words with it? No, that only works in profit. I mean, if this 5 closes below, I'm definitely deleting my order, because then it doesn't make sense. We have a break of structure. It's the first time we've broken structure since all the way back here. Actually since all the way back here. So I don't really trust it at that point, because we are higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, boom, break of structure. Even if it comes retest this high, you could still get the failure here, which is not going to be good for us. So I rather wait for something closing above and re-break structure towards the upside. We're still respecting this zone. It's quite interesting here, to be honest. And we're flipping bullish here. Hey bro, would you mind taking a look at EU? Just tap 4-hour demand zone. I was looking to buy, see if we can get engulfing candle. Yeah, you would need support from there first. Just watching what GJ is doing here at the moment, kind of locked in. How to discover your strategy? Watch my videos on YouTube, right? Watch my videos on YouTube. JPY news in 5 minutes. Yeah, now that we're breaking these lows, guys, this trade is not looking like high probabilities for me. So I'm gonna delete my buy order. Luckily, we didn't get triggered, and that's why having a very solid entry plan saves you from potential stop losses and stuff like that. So all week we've been saving from that, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait probably for something closing bullish, or if this flips rapidly, I might go in last minute. So we'll see. I just need to see what happens. So I might go in last minute if this, flips rapidly. Anyone looking at gold? I was speaking about gold and how we need to get above the 4-hour. Nothing's closing above the 4-hour here. We keep rejecting this 4-hour. 15-minute keeps rejecting the 4-hour, so be careful about that. I mean, a 5-minute above that would be okay. I mean, if you go impulsively here, that's also fine, but anything then rejecting and coming back below, you want to be careful about that. What's up? I follow your streams and like your content. Thank you. Yeah, if you're new to the streams, be sure to leave a subscribe to the channel. This weekend, guys, on Sunday, we have a really cool vlog coming up, okay? We have a really cool vlog coming up. Definitely check out the vlog. There'll be a giveaway in there. Sunday, 6:30 p.m. Dubai time. Be ready for the vlog, guys. It's going to be the vlog, yes, with the McLaren. You guys have been asking how was the McLaren. I put it in the vlog there, and you guys will see me testing out that car. Title of the vlog should be Goids. Hello, Mr. Not Taking Trades. Bro, you're wilding, bro. You're wilding, not taking trades. You definitely haven't been to the live for the first few days. We've taken 5 trades in 3 days, bro. All wins. What are you going to say about that, man? Go sit back in your box. Live? No, it will be a video, right? It will be a video. Sir, do you trade on a live account or prop? I'm on a live account, man. Isn't the 4 hour invalid in gold? It would be if we were not reacting off it, but we seem to be reacting off it. Look at it like a 4 hour range. If we have a breakout, this is your breakout. When we're going to come retest, look how we react off this 4 hour. The same thing can happen here. You see how we react off this first 4 hour here? Breakout, we retested here, we rejected. Now that rejection there could be enough to hit your stop loss, right? Especially if you're trying to take this type of trade here, right? You're looking at this big LTA here to the left. You take the trade, you're in 14 pips, your stop loss below the candle, boom, you hit 19 pips stop loss. Why? Because you didn't consider this 4 hour here, right? It's the same thing. It works the same way here, right? This is how the way we reject it. So even though it has higher chance of continuing up, the issue is that what happens is that you don't know where this pullback will be, right? You don't know where this pullback will be. Pullback could end up coming all the way down here, stopping you out, and obviously you don't want to have massive stop losses here. Like ideally, if this 15 closes above here, you'd want to have only like a 25 pip stop loss, which is still negative risk to reward. But look, we're rejecting last minute. No trade for me, right? We didn't close above. We didn't close above. So we would need to close above here, and this is also keeping us safe. How's GJ doing? GJ closed bearish here. So we have 15-minute pullback. I think now Udir is speaking. If Udir is starting speaking, we're in a little bit of trouble and we have to be careful here. So we'll see what's going on. If anyone can check if Udir is speaking. What would your BE be? TP would be like a one-to-one and squeeze. Like I would use ASP. ASP is a concept that we cover. It's called average session push, right? So based on your sessions, you can see what your average session push is. So I can base TP off my average session push. We do have a video on WAP. So if you're in the exclusive, you can check that video. And that's one of the topics we cover here. Is ASP. So that would be my first TP, right? Second thing is my break even. It's hard to break even, right? It's hard to break even because you have no real levels. Your break even levels would be key levels, or they would just be when we get a very strong push. Say we got a very strong push. Once we get a very strong push, we could say, hey, this doesn't make sense to lose the trade, right? So ASP would be here, which is average session push, right? So this is the video. All of the guys in the exclusive, check it out, right? So we talk about ASP and how to calculate average session push, right? So that's how would be your TP, or just one-to-ones and then squeeze it, right? Just squeeze the trade after a one-to-one, right? Squeeze the trade, get one-to-one and see if you can get more if there's volume. The worst thing you want to do is try to hold the trade and for it to come back to entry and miss out all profits. When you're trading at highs like this, you have to take what you can get. But this is what's been happening all week, guys. We've been having push up, pull back, then continuation. A lot of people been losing trades, not being patient, waiting for the pullbacks. It's happened all week. I've showed it. And this is why it's important to be listening on the streams. I've explained that every single stream, right? Waiting for the pullbacks. Look, push up, everyone goes by, pulls back. Same thing all week. All week it's been happening all week. And it's happened again, and that's my point. Price action is king because it's repetition in the markets. Something you guys have to understand. All right, let's have a look here at the speech. If someone can find me the speech and send me the link in Zoom, please, so I'm not scouting YouTube. I've never seen Financial Juice. Yeah, Financial Juice is just a news outlet. It gives you live updates, right? So he's speaking now. Oh shit. We have speeches on with Udea here. We have speeches. So we need to see what happened. We could see some crazy movement on price right now if he says something. Thank you, sir. Here we go. Let's have a look. Here's his speech. I'm telling you guys, do not put stop loss today in the markets. If you put stop loss today, I will hit them. Every single one of you today will lose. Do you understand? These guys are like, fuck you. Look, FX, his name is FX. You know he's here to gamble. He's like, I have no stop loss. This guy's like, please sir, buy or sell. So yeah, this guy's still speaking. Have to see what the hell he's saying. Right click translate. We tried this last time, it didn't work. Translate to English. Yes, English please. See, last time it didn't work. You're always fooling me, man. See, page could not be translated. No, don't start. Don't start this stuff, guys. Please, don't start this. I'm serious, don't start this stuff. Because if you start this, then we're going to be tracked by Udea, man. We need to be on the low key. On the low key we need to be. Okay, we're going to give him sound. Here are all the people who make you sad in the market. Look, he's market maker. He's like, Tradesharpe is streaming. This guy is making sure that they're not gambling themselves. We're dumping. Yen is for some reason getting a little bit stronger here. We're starting to see some strength in the yen. How many views does Udea get? And he's not even giving trades. Man doesn't trade. He just makes you lose trades. He's getting 4,000 views for making you lose trades. How is that fair? How is that fair? You know? And he's speaking during our London session. He's speaking during our, he's trying to make us not profitable today. Be sure to leave a like on the stream so we can beat 4,000 views. I don't think we'll reach 4,000 views, but it's possible. It's possible one day. Let's see how long he talks for today. Sometimes he talks for 30 minutes. Sometimes he talks for an hour. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Whoa. Man opened his mouth. Hello. Slow down, bro. Whoa. Man has opened his mouth and definitely said something. I wonder what he said here. Let's see the reaction in chat. Any W's in chat? People winning trade? Maybe that's a W. What letter is this? AD. Oh, you won't see it. I just got 4,000. No problem. Looks like he needs a holiday. Come on, bro. He's a market. We all need holidays who works in the market. Now he's got 4.2k viewers. The minute he moved the market now, everyone's like, oh shit, what did this guy do to me, bro? What did this guy do to me? Look, 4250. 250 came in here, margin call. They're all margin call. They're like, look, this guy's putting some sort of gay rainbow flag here. He's like, fuck this, man. I've been screwed here. You know? Which one? How can I predict when this time coming in? Bro, 800 views, I think it's a record. No, 800 is not a record. Our record on stream is like 890, 880. We've had 880, 890. If we get to 900 today, I think we will beat a record. I did say that I'm doing a giveaway if we get to 900-ish viewers. So if we do get to 900, I'll have to stay true to my word and give away on the video on Sunday as well. We're pretty close, man. About 60, 70 viewers. We'll get there. Man, what is he saying? I want to know what he's saying. That's what's important. Okay, we'll start reduction. Okay, immediately after deciding next policy meeting. Bro, that doesn't tell you anything, man. That doesn't tell you anything. Next policy meeting is next month. So reduction of these purchases, basically these are Japanese bonds, right? JGB is bonds. When they buy bonds, it's like an intervention. So they're saying that they're going to reduce doing that, which means they're going to reduce, right? He said it's going to be a considerable volume, which means that they're going to stop doing interventions. Now, if they stop doing intervention, it means on a secondary level that they're going to do what? That they're going to start doing, what's this called? Making their currency stronger, that they don't have to intervene here, right? But that's a massive dump we've seen. Let's see these 1 minute candles here. Yeah, 1 minute candles falling off a cliff. Very happy we didn't get involved in buys. You can see the importance, guys, of preserving profits in the market, especially when we've had a very, very good week here on stream. You guys need to preserve profits in market. So we'll see what ends up happening, what we can capitalize off this shit. As for gold, gold is messing around, right? I told you that this 4-hour resistance zone here is not going to be too exciting, right? Too exciting here. We can see it causing issues. This 50-minute candle here closes in 4 minutes here. So potential in 4 minutes, we'll have to see. Anyways, GJ is moving like mad, so we see what's going on. Our man is still speaking. Wish we could have some sort of subtitles or something. Subtitles are off. I wonder what UJ is doing here. Let's see UJ. UJ not as heavy as GJ here. I think GJ is a little bit heavier pullback because we have GBP weakness here, right? We're seeing GBP weakness come into the market. So that is coming together as well. GBP weakness here and yen strength gonna cause more of, you know, translate pains in English. Yeah, I need to put it in Google Chrome. Let's go see these comments, guys. We have to see these comments. Let's put it in Chrome here. Let's put it in Chrome. So we can have a look at these comments here. We can have a look at these comments. Too loud. All right, man. Now we got English. This is the best. Now I'm happy. Extremely incompetent. Mid or long term, I wonder if he'll survive. I'll rip off your wig. Man lost everything today. Man lost everything. This kind of laxity is not good. That is true. A reporter from Shorter. Gasoline prices aren't going up. It's because of some weird tax. Where do I put my stop loss? This is one of our members, bro. Don't cap. I know, I've seen this in YouTube chat, this name. This guy's lying. Who's got the remote control vibrator switch? What is that, bro? What is that? Where is that coming from? Who's got the remote control vibrator switch? Bro. And he's saying that on Udea, bro. It's not even like it's a chick talking, bro. It's Udea. I'm going to 160 tonight. Don't say anything inappropriate. Incoming mail, bro. Margin call. Udea, do you understand that a weak yen is against interest of the people? Hello. This is his response. No. The power of companies are just shit. The weak yen. After all, if you blow it, you can earn as much as you want with the infinite shorts. People who do FX, people who don't, in the comments. They're all gamblers here trying to short the yen, and they're saying that he's profiting off them shorting the yen. What's Abenomics? What's Abenomics, bro? Bro, these comments are too good here. What's price doing? Okay, we're retracing here on price. Retested that news open. So we retested the news open. This is comment of the day. What do we got here? Oh, these are all good stuff here. These are, you know, these are all ideal stuff. Oh, wait, I missed it. Let's see. Highlight it. I see my calculates has translated to a substantial amount, although no one knows for sure how much it really means. Man. What else we got? This is the same, right? What's your plan? My plan is to let speeches settle down here. Once speeches settle down, I can see potential setups here that form after speeches. Continuation, pullbacks, etc. Right? We can see how to capitalize off that. Guys, if you're new to the stream, be sure to subscribe so you can show up all week. If you want to see the style that I trade, then check out my stream journal here. I record all my trades, all of the live streams that we took trades live, entries, exit, TPs, how I manage, win or loss, etc, etc. You can see all of the trades that we've taken, pip count, percentage gained, just by typing exclamation mark journal in the chat, or going to the free group, join the free Discord. Go to resources here, and in resources you'll find multiple good resources, free resources, cost you nothing, and you can have a look at it. Nothing like JPY NFP. Yeah, it's pretty damn funny. Let's go back and see what's going on. Do your best without being found out. In the end, one Udea comment made the price 158 on yen. Cup noodles are too expensive for me to buy. Man's gone full margin in his account and now can't even afford cup noodles. Here we have Mr. I'm smarter than the government. There's no need to raise interest rates. There's no guarantee that 0.25 increase will lead to stronger yen. The negative impact on the economy through interest rates is greater. Thank you, sir, for basically repeating yourself twice. This guy just keeps writing no, 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 no. Every 5 minutes I see him no, no, no. Why is your voice shaking? Can't blame him, it's Friday. How's gold? Gold is still, look at this, man. Gold is respecting this like a king. This has saved us from so many. Today we've saved from 2 potential losses FOMOing into breaking the highs and ending up being in drawdown, right? Twice here. All because we've done a high time frame markup. That's why it's so important, guys, to be doing your higher time frame markup, marking 4-hour time frame down, to be avoiding this. Same thing on we did on GJ as well. Of going in break of high. We're lucky we didn't get trolled by the Bank of Japan today, triggering us into a trade and then doing this BS here. We're quite lucky that we didn't get trolled, so it's nice not to be trolled by the Bank of Japan. Did you buy the McLaren, or just can you afford to lease it for one day? It's not just can I afford, it's I tried out the McLaren. I personally wanted to see how the car was. I've tried multiple supercars. I post them for you guys because you guys like to see, and I'm a car guy, so not car guy, but I enjoy motorsport. I explain how the car feels, all of this stuff for fun, right? That's why. So no, I didn't buy it. I don't want to buy a McLaren. That's not my type, but it was fun to try out. And I just share the experience with you guys. If you don't want to watch the video, then don't watch the video. Do you have YouTube video on your trading strategy? 100%, man. My YouTube video is basically your go-to gem. I don't know why it's not here, but let's go see it. My YouTube channel is basically it has everything here that you guys need, right? So definitely check out my YouTube channel here. So many different, my setup for my free courses here with basically this will get you caught up here. 1 hour 41 video. It's a whole course. There's no extra like, hey, if you want to hear about this concept, you must join the group. It's not like that. Or you must buy my more expensive course. No, the group is just different. Group is like a community we have, which we discuss in webinars, different concept that gets recorded for them. So yeah, be ready for this week's video, guys. I feel like your G63. I've tried the G63. I liked it. It was nice. I did post the G63 actually. Yeah, see, I tried the G63 here. It was a good car. I do like them, but I think they're overpriced for what you get. $250,000, $280,000 for a SUV. I don't think so. Anyways, cars don't matter. Now we're focusing on Udia. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chat going mad. Bold guy, you are so carefree with the yen. So weak. Man, I'm telling you, any live stream has haters. Any live stream has haters. Don't muddy the waters with Toyota. We will be entering London in 10 minutes. This guy's telling man to shut up. Like, listen, we have London session in 10 minutes. Please, just shut up. I need to trade. This man operates the market. He bought, dump it. I'm getting sleepy. I want to see what is he saying, because it's fun to read the comments, but we need to see what is fundamentally happening here on a serious note. We set short-term interest rate at July meeting, so next month. Next month seems like a big meeting. We have the number that they're gonna reduce JGB holdings, right? We have the number that they're gonna reduce JGB holdings, and we have the interest rate, right? We will see the short-term interest rate at July's meeting and the purchase reduction, right? So that seems to be the main thing so far. Prices here is bouncing. What we need to see is we need to see some sort of price action form here. We're just seeing heavy reaction. 5-minute time frame is wilding. Just heavy reaction we're seeing. 1-minute time frame going straight up. No bottom wick on these candles here. Could still potentially flip here in 7 minutes. It is a possibility. So we'll have to see. Again, look at this on gold here. We can see it reacting perfectly off that level. That level is being Very sticky here. So I'm glad we marked it. I'm glad we marked it. Set up for GJ to buy an all-time high. Yeah, maybe a close above here we could look for buys. This would be a nice liquidity grab. If we break out here, we could have some continuation, some mad continuation here. It's definitely possible. If you look at the 1 hour liquidity grab, 1 hour has high chance to close outside the range. We could have some continuation above the highs here if we have something closing. Appreciate everyone showing up to stream. Let me know in chat if you guys are enjoying the stream. Hopefully you are. Hopefully you're finding some sort of value. Hopefully you're learning, you know, getting some good information. Apenomics. Bro, how many traders there are there? It seems so much more than imagined. There's so much, bro. I think like 90% of chat in here is traders. I think we learned a lot this week. Just today, key takeaways you guys should be noting from today is look at the patterns that's been having over the week and expect them to replicate for the rest of the week, right? Expect them to replicate for the rest of the week. We've been seeing all week we have breakout, which fails, pullback, breakout, fails, pullback, breakout, fail, pullback. And we've been trading after those pullbacks all week. All week we've been trading after those pullbacks, catching the moves and winning based off that. So that continued today. Second thing is always wait for break of highs. So we got the 5-minute pullbacks here and we waited for break of highs. That's very important. 2 key lessons that kept you safe today. You know? Hello sir, first time here. Can you tell me if I follow your trade, can I pass prop firm challenge? You can pass, but what happens when you pass? You're probably gonna go gamble it and lose it anyways. Do you know the percentage that make it to a payout? Passing a prop firm challenge is not going to be where you get paid. That's just to prove your skill. So you'll pass it, you'll have no skill, you will rely on someone, and you'll probably go make a mistake by yourself. You probably don't understand the trade, so you won't be able to execute on the trade properly, and you're just going to end up failing long term. And then you give $500 to a prop firm challenge, where instead you could trade as a community, learn the setups, trade with us, and even if you wanted to take yourself a step further and actually be part of a community, you wouldn't even have to pay as much as a prop firm challenge. That would mean not only do you pass the challenge, you then end up being successful after passing the challenge, which matters more because that's the time where you get paid. You don't get paid to pass a challenge, you get paid after passing a challenge. So that would be key, right? It would be key to be paid after passing a challenge. Let's see how these comments are doing. There's no way we can expect any communication skills from this. Read this. A man who will even bow down to his boss for a beautiful flight attendant. Look at the image, a peach with some sort of plug, bro. What the fuck, man? What are people doing? Give me clear answer, sir. Where's sir? Please, sir, look, we got this. Please, sir. I don't want to lose my profits. Bro, this is a disaster. Insane in the membrane. Bank of Japan. Bank of Japan is the best, bro. They just troll the whole market, man. Bank of Japan is like a meme, you know? Bank of Japan is like a meme. Gold trying to close above here. It's closing very deep though. I want it to close weaker here so we have enough room to the next resistance. Otherwise, I just rather trade. 8 pips is not enough to do much here. So I rather just trade above the next resistance here. It's going to be better. It's going to be better to trade above because this is also a 1 hour resistance here. You could try trade 8 pips, but your break even is very soon, right? Your break even is very soon. You have around 7 pips now. 7 pips now till you have to get break even. You have to go break even at that resistance though. Don't fool yourself, you know, trying to get in, you know, be lucky and let this come back to entry. Yeah, it can play out, but just be careful here. How big is stops though? You'll have to run at least stops below the 15-minute candle in a scenario like this. 15-minute candle stops here is 24 pips. So you need to break this resistance at 7 pips away and get up to this, well, yeah, somewhere around here to get your 1-to-1. It's a little bit tough. We'll see how the 1 hour opens. Open pushes, I guess. Yeah, so you're either in. You're in and break even at that resistance if you're in on that. That's too fast. I was looking. Check gold on IC markets. What's up with gold on IC markets? Let's have a look. What the hell? Yeah, gold is off, so I can't even take a gold trade anyways because my gold is shut down on my broker. Oh damn, I put this as a weird screen. 1 sec. Yeah, you're right, bro. So even if I wanted to trade gold, I can't because looks like IC markets have shut down gold. Oh, it's something is really wrong with data feed here. Yeah, my price is as well 23.07. Then this is not. This is. Yeah, we're getting trolled by the market here. This is such a weird day in the market. Let's go see a different broker here. What? For me, it's good. Looks the same. Yeah, for me, IC markets feed is here a little bit weird. I don't know what the hell happened here. Very, very weird. For me, it's good. No problem in IC. Maybe it's my server. Let me go check what server I'm on. Check what country server you're on. My server on IC is Frankfurt. I'm on Frankfurt server. Yeah, even if I wanted to trade gold right now, guys, to get to this resistance, I can't because my broker is not really... it's not really supporting that. Check phone. It's not a bad idea. Phone same, bro. Phone is the same. Phone is the same. How's GJ doing? So GJ came here, gave some form of setup 3 here. Rejecting already. A little bit of a mess here. Quite risky with all of this news that is happening. I think our man is still speaking. Yeah, he's still opening his mouth here. Still opening his mouth. I can't make profit in prop firm with your stream, so what's the point of your stream? Yeah, you can't because you don't listen to the trades. Right? I give my entry, exit, and TPs. I share what I do, but I don't want you here being a signal bot. I want people enjoying the stream, learning, understanding the positions, understanding what we do. If you're just going to be a signal bot, then you're going to lose long term anyways. Because you're just going to stream hop, streamers to streamer, never find a strategy, never understand how the markets move. And long term, you're going to lose everything in the markets. Everything. Because you don't learn psychology, you don't learn emotions, you learn nothing. So you're going to lose everything. So be careful. Hey Harry, I don't copy you, but I follow you. These days, GJ is uncertain due to some rule of mine. I don't trade metals, so please suggest me a pair with price action similar to GJ for days like today. GU would be fine, but GU trade is gone. Early in the morning, the guys in the exclusive group took GU's trade here towards the downside, sells, and yeah, that should be at TP then. Looking very weak here, this candle here. We can see no continuation in the 1 hour. 1 hour making deeper bottom wick. With us being so close to this resistance, I think we would need something above this resistance. Anyways, I appreciate everyone showing up to the stream. You should have pressed buy on IC markets. Yeah, let's see what happened to IC markets here. Oh, I should have, man. Look at IC markets is going... moving mad, man. Bart Simpson pattern here. Moving mad. How much would they have made on that? 50 pips banger, bro. 50 pip banger. There's something going on with that. That's the first time I've seen that on IC markets. I've been using them for 4 years. So that means if this is going down, you could probably take a sell on IC markets and then it will lag corrected. Don't you think we need 15-minute structure on gold? Yeah, if we were to get something like this, I guess, would be give you a lot more confidence. You'd see this candle close bearish like this, and then the next candle do that above this resistance, right? Then if we get above this resistance, we have this wick to fill, and next candle make bottom wick, boom, flip up, and that will be like your ideal trade in this scenario. Leave you something like that. So you don't have to deal with this mess in here and get stopped out. Harry, I trade almost 16 years and still lost at trading. What am I supposed to do more in gold? If you're losing in trading, means you're doing something wrong, especially after 16 years. You'll have to unlearn, learn everything back, and start from the basics, man. You shouldn't be losing after 16 years. It's not good, bro. It's not good. It's not good. Give me a sec, guys. We'll see if we get to the 900 viewers. We're very close. 870. 30 more viewers, guys. Share the stream so we can do the giveaway. We can do the giveaway. We'll do it right now today. We'll do the giveaway today if we reach it in front of you. Right? And yeah, we'll see what ends up happening. I'll just go toilet, come back, guys. Give me a second. Hey Harry, I don't understand why people go for prop firms that they must pass. There are prop firms you don't have to pass, you just have to trade with their money and share your profits with them. Is this bad? I've never heard of that, and that sounds like a scam, I'll tell you that much. People are just willing to give people... Most people lose in this market. right? Most people lose. So no way as a company would I give my money to trade someone to trade some degen trader who is on the internet, you know. Not gonna do that, man. You need to have some sort of credibility through, you know, proving your results, passing a challenge, which is the way they like to do it, right? Which is the way they like to do it. Who's Abe? Abenomics. I don't need Zimbabwean. High stock prices, low yen. Abenomics still ongoing. Can Udia put a stop to it? Abenomic doesn't allow interest rates to rise much. They want interest rates to rise. Garbage. How many viewers he's got now? 3.8. He lost some viewers, man. He lost some viewers. He's still talking, man. It's so hard to trade yen when this guy is still opening his mouth. How can you start trading with small money like 500? Just trade it the same way you trade it with big money, man. Use proper risk management and learn the skill. It doesn't matter how much money you start with. Remember, guys, money is only what's going to make you earn more or earn less. The skill is what's going to actually pay you, right? It only takes a click of 2 buttons to change your lot size and start earning more from trading. But the actual skill is what's going to pay you long term. So no matter you're trading on a $100 account or a $1,000 account, a $100,000 account, the only difference between those is risk and psychology. That's it. Everything else stays the same, right? Everything else stays the same. What's this? Up B, should it not busy being greedy, close at 4 hour? Come on, bro. It's alright, man. But yeah. Friday, secure some profits, no harm. Look, I'm also glad we didn't jump in buys here. We would have been screwed here again, and not even got our 7 pips. That's why it's important to have range to trade, guys. You need to have, right? You need to have range to trade. Thanks, AD, for the update. Thanks, AD. Alright, this is still trying. But he's still talking. Again, IC markets is different. Yeah, it's just lost, bro. Don't be trading gold on IC markets so they fix everything. How should I risk on a $500 account? Risk $5 a trade on a $500 account. Until you build consistency, then maybe you can think about, even just think about trying to risk a little bit more. What site do I use this? I'm watching on YouTube that. I'm watching that on YouTube. Yo, bro, is there any spots in the group? Yeah, I've been mentioning this. There are 3 spots left in the group, and that's it. 3 spots left, and then we'll close up and go on waitlist again as usual. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna talk. Before people start spamming me questions about the group, you can go see for yourself. That's about it. Oh no, camera died, man. What a timing. Back to 1995 it was gonna be now. We have to go back in time. Not looking good, man. Not looking good. I wonder how it freezed. It didn't freeze too bad today, right? It's not the worst image for camera freeze. Could have been worse. If you're trading small account, it should be considered practice to get real money. Exactly, yeah. I mean, if you're trading $500,000 account, it's to make some pocket money here, you know? That's what you're looking at. Just a little bit of pocket money and learn the skill more importantly. I'll fix the camera, don't worry, guys. Uday says he won't comment on Forex moves when asked when the yen is weak might be reversed. Damn. That's annoying. Can I flip $500 in 1 month trading your strategy? It's pretty much stupid to think like that. Then why not flip $1 million? If I gave you $1 million now, why don't you flip that, huh? Right? Flip that. It's not about that. You have to learn the skill, man. Flipping an account is just over-risking. That's what it means by flipping an account. You can over-risk. But if you take one loss, you lost the account, right? So that's how it works, man. That's how it works. Take a loss, you lost the account. He'll flip $1 million to zero. Yeah. You have to get on the right track, man. Get your mindset right. If you're in the exclusive, you have to be in the right mindset. Otherwise, it's not going to be a place for you. You come DM me after and we'll sort out you not being there. You know, but give you a chance. But you have to be in the right mindset. I thought Bank of Japan attacked you. Don't worry, we're fine, we're fine. Not being attacked. We're just getting such random price action here. Gold as well being iffy here. We can see candle close bearish here. Very interesting. But we're keeping super safe today, protecting a lot of profits here at the moment. From what we've been doing. I didn't listen and took a chance and lost. Yes, that's why you have to listen. Listen up. I'm not bullshitting you guys. Morning, Harry. Would you consider doing a meetup in the future for your exclusive members? 1,000,000%, man. It's something I've really been wanting to do. Only thing I know is I'm going to be spending a shit ton of money when we do that, but I don't mind. Experiences are worth a lot more. You know? For sure, for sure. We're trying to organize it, man. We want to organize it. We need to organize it, actually. We need to get people to see when they can actually come down and we can do something insane. Don't spend, we can pay for ourselves. No, but for the experiences here, man. No, I enjoy that stuff. Trust me. Ask all my friends, they'll tell you how generous. I always do some bullshit. I like it. I like it. It's way more rewarding. We need to all set on a special date, you know, and have people actually book. It would be such a sick experience. Yeah, it would be damn fun. It would be damn fun. Don't worry about that. All right, yeah, we'll see when we come here, man. We'll play it by vibe, but just you guys being here is already enough. That's, you know, That's fun. I'm already enjoying that. It would be sick, man. I'd love to see people in person, and yeah, it would be fun. Especially if we do something, we do a bit of both, away from charts and stuff to do with the charts. It will be super fun, just to have a good vibe. Again, as I've always said, you can go see on my WAP, which is the payment gateway. Look what it's advertised at. It's advertised as a trader's private network, right? It's advertised as a trader's private network for a reason. I'm trying to build a private network of traders, and that's exactly how I want it to be. I want to have a group of individuals that we can call for any reason, That's how it is. Like, in our group, we have so many talented individuals that can help with so many things. We've built multiple indicators. In terms of coding in our group, we could code anything. I think our group coding power is very strong, but a lot of people in the group, let me show you. Let me go here. Where's my, I think I've hidden it somewhere. Where's the beehive? Beehive has disappeared for me. Why is beehive? Oh, it's right here in my face. Look at all these skills we have here, man. Look at all these skills we have here. All of these guys, different skills. What they're working. Right? We have engineers, IT, airline industry, IT. We have so many stuff here. I'm new. What's on the giveaway? We had to reach 900 viewers. Today we reached 860. Not an all-time high. We've reached 870 before. We reached 860 today. We're close. Maybe by Monday we reach it. Right? Maybe by Monday we reach it, and then I'm gonna do the giveaway. Anyways, guys, on Sunday there will be a video with the giveaway in, because I'm being generous. Yeah, price action being quite crap here. Price action being crap. Guys, I'm gonna make the decision today to be very, very cautious here. I'm actually gonna end stream early here. Reason being is that I'm seeing a lot of mess in the charts. Uday is still speaking here, still with his mouth open. I'm seeing we have gold messing around here. Now the plan for gold would be to look for buys above this area here. So you can simply set an alert. If something closes above here, you can take it, even if it happens after stream. But this week's been a great week, 4% week. I can't complain here. Back-to-back wins straight this week, and that's how it is. You always enter with the blue color? Yes. So to be honest, I want to preserve those profits. I'm pretty happy with how the week has gone. I don't think we need to push things too hard, and I don't want to end my week on a loss and give back. I'm quite happy with how much I've made this week. Unless I see some setup that is absolutely I cannot have to take because it follows all my rules, I will take that, of course, because I'm a trader. That is my job. I'm not scared to take setups because I want to blow profit. But that's how it is. Harry, I'm just down under 1% for the week. How much should I risk, you'd say, on the next position? Normal risk, 1%, as long as the position follows the plan. But you go with your 1%, man. It doesn't matter. You have to be confident with that. So link for the free Discord is in the description. You can go check that out. What do you think about the Pip Labs simulator page on my website? I put a Pip Labs simulator page on the website. If you guys don't know what Pip Labs is, this is my backtesting software that I made with my partner Antonio. So yeah, if you want to have a Forex simulator, you can check that out. That is also in the description. But yeah, anyways, guys, I appreciate everyone showing up to stream today. It's been a great week. Have an amazing weekend, and let's get it, guys. Let's get it. I'll see you guys on Monday. Be sure to show up to stream. Be sure you're subscribed, and be sure to watch the video on Sunday, guys. I want you guys to have alerts on for that video. I'm telling you, it's going to be a banger video. Literally, we're editing it all weekend. Editor is hard at work right now. He's even messaging me right now that he's hard at work. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. You guys will see it. Maybe I give you a sneak peek of the car. Let's see if I'm feeling generous. Maybe I give you a sneak peek of the car so you guys can see for how it's going to look for. Again, it's not my car. It was the one I tried for the day, just to make that clear. But yeah, here's a picture of it. So you guys will get to see that. And yeah, let's see. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me. Take care all. Have an amazing weekend. Again, gold pulling back now. Glad we didn't get caught in anything here. GG as well messing about. So yeah, take care guys. Trade sharp and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. See you on Monday, hopefully. Peace. See you guys.